In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable hardware acceleration in Brave. This quick change can help if you've been seeing choppy video, flickering, black screens, or unexpected crashes, especially on systems with older graphics drivers or in virtualized and remote desktop setups. Hardware or graphics acceleration shifts visual tasks from your CPU to your GPU. While that usually improves performance, it can sometimes cause instability. Turning it off makes Brave rely on software rendering instead, which often clears up those issues. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure the window is in focus so you can access its menus. At the upper right corner of the Brave window, click the icon with three horizontal lines. This is the main menu button, and it opens a panel with options for customizing and controlling the browser. From that menu, click on Settings. Settings will open in a new tab, which makes it easy to adjust preferences without losing your place. On the Settings page, look to the left sidebar and select System. This section contains options that affect how Brave interacts with your device's hardware and how it manages performance behind the scenes. Inside the System page, find the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. In some versions, you may see it referred to as hardware acceleration, but it is the same setting. When this is enabled, Brave uses your GPU to render pages and videos. If that has been causing problems, you'll want it turned off. Click the toggle next to that option to disable it. When the toggle turns off, Brave will prompt you to relaunch the browser to apply the change. Go ahead and relaunch. All your open tabs and windows should come right back after the restart, and the new setting will take effect immediately. After relaunching, Brave is now running without hardware acceleration. You may notice smoother behavior in problematic sites or videos, fewer visual glitches, and improved stability. Keep in mind, because your CPU is now handling rendering that your GPU would usually take on, you might see slightly higher processor usage during graphics-heavy tasks. That trade-off is normal and often well worth it if you were troubleshooting crashes or display issues. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, go to the menu, head into Settings, select System, find the Use Graphics Acceleration when available option, toggle it off, and relaunch the browser. With this adjustment, you should have a more consistent and reliable browsing experience.